Learning Arabic can be an exciting, life-changing journey. Speaking a new language, interacting with native speakers, and immersing yourself in a different culture. For nearly 20 years, Qasid Arabic Institute has provided over 20,000 students with expert Arabic instruction, cultural experiences, and study abroad immersion. With Qasid Online, you can experience that immersion wherever you are. With offerings such as Modern Standard Arabic, Classical Arabic, and the Jordanian dialect, you get to choose what kind of Arabic you want to learn. Whether you're a complete beginner, at an intermediate level, or an advanced student, we have just the right course for you. You can choose between private one-on-one classes, group classes, or a mix of both. Our online learning management system organizes your studies and manages your weekly tasks and assignments all in one place, so you can concentrate on what's important. Watch grammar-based video lessons to strengthen your foundations in the language. Read through explanations of key concepts. Practice your listening skills on the go with our vocabulary and listening exercises. Receive personalized feedback from your instructor on your daily homework, assignments, and quizzes. Access course content on mobile, tablet, laptop, or desktop whenever you're ready to study. Our entire team of instructors and administrators are there to help you throughout your online journey, from academic orientation to technical onboarding, so you're ready for your classes from day one. So wherever you are in your Arabic journey, immerse yourself in the language and take your Arabic to the next level with Qasid Online.